Video 1, Olympics and derivatives for sport performance. I'll be doing clean pull, then high pull, then hang clean, split jerk, and finally push press. The purpose of the clean pull is to develop the explosive hip extension and maintain the bar trajectory needed to raise the bar to that catchable height at your chest. Typically 3 to 5 reps for explosive power. You want to see a full forceful drive through the hips with the bar staying close to the body. Common errors can include over or under extension of the hips, which can be seen as jumping too far forwards or backwards rather than maintaining the same position, or too early or too late for the arm engagement for the shrug. It's important to cue the quarter squat position, feet underneath the hips, chest over the bar, straight back, and focusing on the energy transfer through the posterior chain. The high pull works on that second pull designed to train the rate of force development and the bar acceleration. Programming sets of 2 to 4 reps, focusing on maximal upward acceleration. The high pull should result in full hip and ankle extension before the arms bend. If they curl too early, then the lower body to upper body energy transfer is inhibited. It's important to fix the errors with the training intention and timing, so reminding the person to keep their chest forward, pull the bar to their chest, and letting the bar move with the flow of energy rather than pulling the bar just purely with your upper body. Regressions could be using a lighter load or starting with the clean pull and then moving into more practice with the high pull. The hang clean forces the athlete to time the pull and catch while under some load. It should be programmed 2 to 3 reps with longer rest when working with technique. It's important to pull the bar to the same height as the high pull and switch the elbows underneath very quickly in order to catch it with proper timing. Common errors that you can see is usually curling the bar rather than catching it quick enough, which you can see here in the video. To fix this, you can cue the person to catch underneath, so dropping their weight down, letting the bar fall into their hands rather than pulling it into their hands. The split jerk trains a coordinated dip and drive, separation of legs, pushing the front leg forward and the back leg back for a stable catch, and the explosive transfer of energy through the trunk into the arms into the overhead position at the end in a split stance. From the overhead position, the front leg should be brought back and then the back leg, and then the bar is brought down. The most common errors are incorrect foot placement, such as landing too narrow, or with the back heel down, or with the front foot not as far forward as it needs to go, a poor dip and drive timing, and or poor balance. These can be worked on by an upright torso, the focus on a vertical dip, and landing in a wide split with an equal weight distribution. A regression could be without a bar, practicing from the starting position of dorsiflexion into the split stance. Moving the arms in accordance with the movement, just without the bar. Ensuring the elbows are up and there is a proper front rack position is also crucial in order to have a proper starting position. The purpose of the push press is to work on transferring energy from the lower body into the upper body into the overhead position, which is great for power transfer when the athlete has to maintain a tight front rack position. 3 to 5 reps should be programs for moderate to heavy loads, or it can be just moderate or lighter loads when working on speed of that energy transfer. Common errors include pressing too early before the legs are fully driven and poor timing between that extension and upper body press. This can be corrected by segmenting those parts, so first a slow dip, an explosive drive, and then press. Separating them and then putting them together at once can help the body neuromuscularly understand the movement. With practice, that efficient energy transfer from the floor through the trunk and spine to the hands can be achieved.